Namaskar dosto. Today is 5th May 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on daily basis I disclose my trade plan on Nifty, review my today's trade and share my learning and MTM at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So let's first get into our global market. So in global market, what we see is that S&P after yesterday's reversal pattern. So this is a week. Today is taken a support at 20 bar and it's moving up. So this is a good sign for a global market. And this could be mainly because if you see into US 10 bond yield, it has come down yesterday and today is still somewhere uh, trying to move up, but I think bears are pulling it down. So still below 1.6, but kind of uncertain. It's not very clear message here, but still not in the range of 1.62 or 1.64. So we can fairly say that it is all right. And when you look into dollar index after a few consecutive day of moving up has taken resistance and one more uncertainty here, but still a red candle, so it is going down. So for me, it is like a very uncertain scenario. Somewhere it is indicating that S&P 500 is taking a support at 4120, or this is the range 4126, and then from here it is again trying to go up. So this is definitely a good support for S&P, which is 4130. So since S&P is moving up, we will say, and dollar index is US dollar is below 1.6, we will say for tomorrow at least the uh, signs are looking good. Now let's look into Lalaji. Now when we look into moving average, Lalaji has closed today below 8, just about 20 and above 50 and 200. So on weekly basis, it is definitely an uptrend. On a month, on daily basis, Lalaji is below 50, below 20, above 8, and this candle is a reversal candle on upside. I made a mistake on this today in reading this out. I actually today took a I misinterpreted this as a bearish sign and I took a PE position home. But this is actually a bullish reversal pattern where bears tried to pull the market down and then bull pulled it up and it closed above today's open. So this was definitely a bullish reversal week, specifically when yesterday we had one big red day, or consecutively from past few days we had a drop. So this is definitely a bullish reversal pattern. But on moving average, it is close above 8, still below 20 and below 50. So as of today, this is definitely in downtrend. Now, when we look into 15-minute chart, on 15-minute chart, what we see is the market is closed above 50, above 8, above 20, and just below 200. So here it is clearly an uptrend. So this is something. If you look everything together, the way I like to interpret is that today, over a long term, market looks little uncertain because of COVID and many others reason. But in near term, it is showing sign of reversal. It is moving now towards bullish side, and market is definitely consolidating between 14,200 to 15,000 level. So that is the consolidation zone in which market is playing on. So now for tomorrow, let's confirm the view by looking into market profile. Now when we look into market profile, tomorrow's CPR is just about today's CPR, which is exactly opposite of what was yesterday. So if you look yesterday, this is day before yesterday CPR, where it is just below it, and today it reversed. Maybe RBI policy, which is indicating liquidity in the market, and some news from US that the interest rates are not going to get changed. So there is definitely a sign of reversal here. So for tomorrow, when we look into, so this market profile say will say that it is slightly bullish because BC is below yesterday BC, pivot is above, and TC is also above today's TC. So definitely it is a slightly bullish nature. So as a defensive trader for tomorrow, the correct strategy is buy on dip uh, at pivot, which is at 14,588, and Camarilla L3 is at 14,582. And when we look into SGX, SGX is currently as 14,725, which is closer to the, so it is somewhere here. So which is definitely above, closer to R2 and at one corner of the day. So the similar thing is happening. Market is gonna open at one corner of the day. If it's assuming that is opening at currently where SGX is, and this will be again a overstress scenario for that particular day, and you will see a correction towards pivot or maybe towards yesterday's range, which is PD high. So this becomes a very strong support now, which is 14,636 and 14,632. And if this is broken, then pivot, and from here again it will try to move up. So for tomorrow, as a defensive trader, the correct strategy is buy on dip, either at weekly pivot. These are the two magical line, blue and black. If you want to know more about my trade setup, then check out my video on YouTube called Trade Setup. So buy on dip, either at 14,636, and if this is broken, then at pivot, which is at 14,588 with a stop loss at TC. And for any reason, if market is opening below pivot, then it is definitely a sell on rise with a stop loss above 14,636. So uh, there's a trade plan for tomorrow. Now let's see what happened today. Now for today, my trade plan was to sell on rise. Market opened beyond my expectation. So idea was that market should have opened below pivot, but it actually opened above pivot, which changed my entire trade plan. And then we had one big red bar, and almost for a whole day it did not do anything. So almost for a whole day I did not took any trade because it was just hovering within the pivot area. And when the 15-minute initial base was not getting broken on any direction, there was no point of any taking trade. And at the end, on 3:15, I read this candle wrong. So this reversal candle, this particular green candle, I actually read it like a bearish, where actually it is a bullish candle, and I took an entry on PE side. So let's see tomorrow at the drop, I will maybe get out of it and let's see how the market is reacting. But trade plan for me for tomorrow. So this is my one position which I'm taking home, 14,700 PE, and for tomorrow, I will look forward to, if market is opening above pivot, then buy on dip. If it's coming opening at R2, then adventurous trade could be take a dip towards 14,630 or at pivot, and then again go for buy on dip. I hope these discussions have added value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Uh, please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.